In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-save your chart on TradingView, ensuring that your important work is saved automatically and safeguarding you from losing hours of analysis due to unexpected computer hiccups. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's navigate to TradingView's charting interface. If you haven't already logged into your TradingView account, go ahead and do so. Once you're logged in, just go to the chart section. You can do this easily from the home page by selecting the chart option located in the main navigation bar. When you're there, make sure you have the chart you want to autosave open, as this feature will work specifically for the chart currently in view. Now that we have our chart in front of us, it's time to enable autosave. Look at the top panel of the screen where you'll find a set of menus and buttons that control your chart settings and preferences. In this nifty toolbar, you'll notice a small drop-down arrow, often placed near the title of your chart. Click on this drop-down arrow. This is your gateway to several chart management features. Here, you'll see a range of options designed to make your TradingView experience more seamless and tailored to your needs. Next, within this drop-down menu, look for an option labeled Autosave. Though sometimes these might have slightly varying labels depending on interface updates, it should be easy to spot as it's intended for keeping your charts up to date automatically. Once you find it, go ahead and check the box next to Autosave. By doing this, you formally instruct the platform to remember every tweak and change you make on your chart, eliminating any fears of work disappearing after a browser crash or accidental closure, and that's it. With the autosave feature now enabled, every change you make on your charts will be automatically saved, giving you peace of mind and a hassle-free trading experience. This is also especially useful for traders who are continuously analyzing and annotating charts throughout the day. Now, you don't have to worry about hitting the save button manually after each adjustment. TradingView has got you covered, so whether you're drawing trend lines, adding indicators, or making notes, each of these changes will now be saved automatically. This ensures that you can focus more on your analysis and less on remembering to save your progress. Remember, small adjustments like this can make your workflow more efficient and less stressful, keeping your focus sharp where it matters most, on the markets. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of TradingView's powerful charting capabilities. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy charting!